I had been having some difficulty with figuring out a career path for me since there were a lot of things in my mind, but at the same time, there was no clear option. So my parents and I both thought that it would be helpful for us to have a career counselor, like at least one session or something. And at that time, Deens itself was having a tie up with Mentoria, and they had a whole workshop. So my dad and my mom really liked it. It was good because there was a lot of stuff that I didn't realize, and it also helped me to pick a clear career path as well. So, yeah, it was good because the counselor, she took me through it, like everything step by step, and it was all really clear, especially because she, like, when we were discussing the different aspects of the test at that time, like the different career paths, like analytical and stuff like that. So at that point, she even helped me relate it to like everyday stuff so I could understand it better. So it was really helpful. I'm sure there are many students right now, either in their 10th or 11th or 12th, any grade actually for that matter of fact, that might be freaking out probably because like the time is passing by quickly, and there will be eventually there will come a time where we have to decide which college, which career path will we want to go to. And while some of the people might be clear about it, other people still need some guidance. And even the ones that have already chosen a career stream, I think it could be helpful for them as well.